Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the nitrogenous bases. These are nitrogen containing compound and due to its basicity the term base is generally used. It is of two types as purine and pyrimidine. First is purine. It is a heterocyclic aromatic organic compound that consists of pyrimidine ring fused to imidazole ring. Purine is water soluble. There are many naturally occurring purine, but the important are adenine, hypoxanthine, guanine, xanthine, uric acid, etc. Purines can be protonated at N1 position. Guanine can form maximum number of hydrogen bonds. Adenine and guanine are abbreviated as A and G respectively. Here is the structure of some important purines. Next is pyrimidine. It is an aromatic heterocyclic organic compound similar to pyridine. It is diazynes, that is 6-membered heterocyclic with 2 nitrogen atom in the ring at position 1 and 3. Important pyrimidines are cytosine, thymine and uracil. C, T and U is the abbreviation used for this pyrimidine. They get protonated at N3 position. These are the structure of some important pyrimidines. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.